everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the best anime, or should I say the best anime so far, which is One Piece. Just going to be showing you how to make the favorite character in there, which is who? Luffy. Whatever, Monkey D. Luffy. So I'm going to be showing you how to make Luffy's character, and I'm going to be using the resource on my right to make the design. So without wasting much time, I'm going to set up a riddle question. So if you know the answer to the riddle, put it in the comment section. And if you do not know the answer, stay tuned and watch the video. I'm going to put the answer anywhere in the video. Okay, and to start, so selecting the resource, which is on the right, go to trace bitmaps over here, select quick trace. Okay, so now it has been traced, so we have to ungroup it, ungroup all objects. Now that it has been ungrouped, you can start deleting the parts we don't need. Okay. So this eyeball, we can give it a white color, and we can give this a black color. What's that? Oh, my bad. It's actually this way. This is correct. Okay. So now this is correct. So what we're gonna do now, this we're gonna give it this color. It's like a skin color. Give it this color too. So if you look at the color, is just a combination of the RGB, the R235, the G which is for green 193, and the B which is for B is 155. That's like the combination, and the code is hashtag EBC19B. That's the code for the color. So I'm gonna do the same here. And the heart as well. I'm gonna give it this color to get out all this. So another easier way I can do it is to select one, hold my shift key and select the rest, then give it that color. Very easy and simple. So then I go to my 2-point line tool, which is right here, 2-point line tool, and I just draw, just connect the lines. Okay, so I go to my shape tool to adjust it. So I right click and select the curve. And I do the same for this. Curve. And I take it at the bottom. So to take it at the bottom is just control page down. And while doing it, you have to make sure that the number key isn't on. So now it has been selected to the page down. I give it a deep red color, just right here. So once I've done that, I go to my shape tool again. Sorry, my 2-point line tool again. That's my bad. So I go back to the 2-point line tool, and I just try to copy the teeth. So I just did the same here. So I have to make sure it goes in a vertical direction, in a slant direction rather. And this go up and disconnect. Go to the shape tool. I give this a black color, sorry, a white color, and I take it down again, just control page down. I remove the outline. Oh, it's actually like a black outline. So I keep the outline back, and I go to my 2-point line tool. So from here, I make this outline. Just to give it that connection, the transition and smoothness. Okay, this is perfect. So I can reduce this a bit. Let's put it to hairline, and selecting this, I go to my shape tool to adjust it. Right click to curve. Okay, it's nice. So now I'm gonna copy this part. So you know what? I'm gonna copy this part. So as to save more time, I'm just gonna bring it directly here. Okay, so now this looks perfect. It looks like Monkey D. Luffy. So let me take out the original design. Just gonna put it this way. So I put it in a power clip. So I did the same here. And I right click, power clip inside the background. And here I go. You can see how it looks exactly like the original design. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.